life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Fun English with Momoy. Here, we'll learn English together in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to learn about introductions, subject pronouns, and simple sentences. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, okay? Mistakes help us grow and become better every day. Even I sometimes make mistakes too, and that's totally fine. The most important thing is never give up and keep improving yourself. In learning English, repetition is the key. Keep practicing your pronunciation and vocabulary. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So, are you ready to learn? Let's start with something fun, introducing ourselves. Self-introduction. Hello, my name is Momoy. I am 10 years old. I am a 4th grade student. I have one older sister and one younger brother. I am from Indonesia. My hobbies are dancing and playing games. Nice to meet you. Simple conversation. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Danny. What's your name?
I'm Momoy. Nice to meet you, Danny.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. How about you?
I'm 11 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Wow, that's great. What are your hobbies?
I like dancing and playing games.
That's cool. I like drawing.
Wow, that's awesome. By the way, where are you from, Danny?
I'm from Singapore.
Oh, nice. It's great to know you, Danny. See you again.
See you.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing learning about self-introduction. Now that you can introduce yourself confidently, it's time to learn something new. In this next part, we are going to learn about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are very important because we use them in almost every sentence. So, let's learn them together and make our English even better. Subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Each subject pronoun has its own to-be partner. Let's learn them one by one. I am. I am. I am. You are. You are. You are. We are. We are. We are. They are. They are. They are. He is. He is. He is. She is. She is. She is. It is. It is. It is. Great job! We have learned about subject pronouns and their partners, the to-be words am, is, and are. Now, let's learn how to use them in real sentences. We will see how to-be works when it meets nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and also verbs.
So, let's get started and learn them one by one. Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Plus to be, am, is, are. Plus noun. I am a student. I am a student. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. They are teachers. They are teachers. Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Plus to be, am, is, are. Plus adjectives. I am happy. I am happy. He is tired. He is tired. We are ready. We are ready. Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Plus to be, am, is, are. Plus adverb. I am here. I am here. He is outside. He is outside. We are inside of the house. We are inside of the house. Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Plus to be, am, is, are. Can be used with verbs if the verb adds ing. This form is called the present continuous tense. We will learn about tenses together later, so don't worry. Here is a simple example. I am cooking with my friends. Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Can also be used with the verbs without am, is, are. In this case, we use do or does. Does, he, she, it. Do, I, you, we, they. Here is an example. I watch movies with my sister. In positive sentences, do or does not appear. They only appear in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, I do not watch movies with my sister. You must remember, for subjects he, she, and it, the verb must add s or es. Here are the examples. Positive, he runs to the market. Negative, he does not run to the market. Interrogative, does he run to the market? Positive, she goes to the zoo. Negative, she does not go to the zoo. Interrogative, does she go to the zoo? Remember, when does is used in a sentence, the verb must not add s or es. We add s or es to verbs when the subject is he, she, or it. This rule is used in simple present tense for habits or daily activities. Most verbs only need as examples. He runs, she plays, it works. If a verb ends with s, x, sh, ch, or o, we add es. Examples: she kisses, he fixes, she washes, he teaches, she goes. If the verb ends with consonant plus y, change y to I plus add es. Examples: study to he studies, cry to she cries, fly to it flies. If the verb ends with vowel a, I, u, e, o plus y, just add s. Examples: play, he plays, enjoy, she enjoys, stay, it stays. When we use does in negative and interrogative sentences, we do not add s or es to the verb anymore. Examples: positive, he watches movie. Negative, he does not watch movie. Interrogative, does he watch movie? Great job! Today we learned basic English together, from introduction, subject, pronouns, to be, and how to make simple sentences. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Remember, we are learning together, and it's okay to make mistakes. I also still make mistakes sometimes, and that's normal. If I say something wrong, please help me and kindly correct me. We are all learning and improving together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this channel. See you again in the next English lesson.
Today's gonna be a good day.